how to create webhooks on Discord. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a webhook on Discord. For that, you will need to simply follow these steps. First of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, on the search bar, type in discord.com. This is the official URL of Discord. Once you have entered this URL, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here you'll be able to see Open Discord button at the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on it and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now, once you reach this page, in order to create the webhook, first of all, you will need to select the server. From the left side at the top, you'll be able to see your server name. Simply click on it. And once you reach inside your server, here, click on the arrow at the right side of your server's name, and then a pop-up will appear. From here, select Server Settings option. By doing so, you'll be able to see the settings page. Now in the settings page at the left side here, you will need to locate the app section and then click on integrations under it. Once you click on it, you will be able to see the interface at the right side. Here you will be able to locate webhook option. Now simply click on this create webhook at the right side in order to create a webhook. By doing so, you'll be able to see it has been created. Now simply click on it and customize it. You can choose a name for it. After choosing the name, you can select the channel where messages will be posted by simply clicking on this channel field. Also, you can click on this icon to choose the avatar. Once after creating it, now click on this copy webhook URL to copy the webhook link. Now you'll be able to use this to send messages from third-party applications. After doing all of these, click on this Save Changes at the bottom right corner of your screen in order to save this webhook. Now your webhook is ready to use for automated messages from external services. Also, be careful to keep the webhook URL private, as anyone with this URL can post messages to your channel. So this is how you can create webhooks on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.